friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. This time I have finally made the tutorials on crochet coaster. So for that, first of all we will pick the thread and then I will make a loop on my hand. Just see how I am making the loop, and I have made the cross on my hand, and then I have put the crochet hook in a unique way. Just follow this step and then pick the thread and pass it from the hook. I am following, or I'm doing each knitting step very slowly so that you guys can understand that how to do every next step. So now I'm picking the thread and I will make the 2 chains. So you can make the 2 chains or the 3 chains or more. It's up to you that how much length you want for your coaster. Okay, now I will follow the double crochet pattern like I have made the 2 loops on the hook, and now there's a third loop over the crochet hook, and I will pick the thread and pass it from the 2 of the loops, and then again I will pick the thread and pass it from remaining 2 loops. This is the double crochet pattern which I will follow in this whole round for 10 times. Just follow the pattern. If you find any query, just ask in the comment section. I will love to reply. Okay, now let's do it a bit fastly, so for that we can save our time. Now I will count the double crochet, that how many double crochet pattern I have followed. As I have told, the total of 10 double crochet patterns we need in the first round. So after making the 10 double crochet pattern, we will just make a magic which you will see. The last double crochet is left. Now I will pull the thread so that our first round will be complete. And now I will enter the hook in the 2 chains from where we have started our circles, and pass the thread from the 2 of the loops, and then again we will knit the 2 chains and make the double crochet pattern and pass it from the same chain, and again we will make the double crochet pattern 2 times in the same chains. So in the second round we will follow this step like 2 double crochet 2 times in the same chain. And now in the end we will again pass the hook from the two chains from where we had started our circles, and then pick the thread and pass it from both of the loops. Here we will not follow the double crochet pattern, just simply pick the thread and pass it two loops, and then again we have made the two chains and make the double crochet in the same loop. And what we do in the third round, we will do a pattern which will be different. Like in the one chain we will make the single double crochet, and in the next chain we make double crochet, again single double crochet, then double crochet, then single double crochet, and then double crochet. We will follow this step in the third round. Just follow this step and enjoy making the coaster. And for the fourth round we will start each of the next round from the same pattern. Like we will make 2 or 3 chains in the start, and then make the double crochet in the first or in the same chain. Okay, then what will we do in the fourth round? We will make double crochet in one chain, then double crochet in the second chain, and in the third chain we will make double crochet. Okay, for the two chains we will make single double crochet, and for the third chain we will make double crochet. Okay, 2 double crochet mean in the third chain. Okay, this is for the fourth round. And for the fifth round we will increase the number of single double crochet, like double crochet in the single chain in each next round. Like for the fifth round we will make 3 single double crochet, mean for the 3 chains we will make single double crochet, single double crochet, single double crochet, and for the fourth chain we will follow the pattern of double crochet, means in the fourth chain we will pass double crochet for the 2 times, and for the fifth round we will follow the same pattern, and for the sixth chain this pattern goes on. I hope you have understand the pattern of crochet. If you still find any query, please ask in the comment section below, and please, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Here I'm showing, if you find any query like in the threads, if the thread is making a bit mess, then open the last stitch what we had done, and if it's stuck then open the thread, then again start what you have been doing.